I do hear the boats back there, but I haven't seen my paradise. Oh man, that's where I came from, right over there. You can even see, so right in the middle of nowhere, nowhere. And I'm trying to decide whether I'm gonna go back or whether I'm gonna go forward a little bit more, which I'm thinking about, but I'm really not happy. Not happy, man. Stalking here in the middle of nowhere. Took me about an hour or so, maybe two, to get here. And I don't know, I guess I'll go for a little bit forward more and see where I'm gonna end up. So well, my phone just died, obviously, because I'm using my other camera. This is definitely the last days, the last vlogs in the woods, or Rocky Hill at least. Still got Dinosaur State Park, but as it is, this is totally a fail. So I'm not sure if I'm done, so I'm gonna keep going a little more. So yeah, I took my glasses off. My eyes are killing me. Too bright, the sun's killing me. All this cornfield, nothing to please. Extremely boring. I hear the river, so I'm definitely walking a little forward and see what else is there. I always wanted to come by here and check out what else is there. So this should be a little bit interesting, I guess, which ain't much except a bunch of fields. Check it out, look. Walking forward. Now I don't remember if this was the place where the beach was, but this property does seem a little bit private or something. Lots of tractors, but no paradise. How can you just work on a 4th of July like this? Why aren't you hanging out with your family? Why aren't you having a barbecue? I wonder if I'm even the next town over. Glastonbury. Cromwell was the last town that we went on a yellow trail. There's a lot of cars movement right there. See all that smoke? Where we saw the sign for no motorized vehicles. Where we saw the signs for no motorized vehicles was a place that they ride dirt bikes there, motorcycle. Wonder if I can find a paradise here. See what we're in the search for. And those people seem like they're about to fall off the boat. Good shit, man. They got a boat, they can hang out. Still not exactly where we're supposed to be at. Don't even look like we're gonna make it there. Another boat over there. Folks having a good time. Alright, well, since this thing has gone all wrong, there was a nice beach. It was a cool beach somewhere. Obviously it's not here anymore, or maybe I am in the wrong place still. I can't find no signs of beach, no signs of fun. Cool, everybody having a good time on the boat. Yeah, so it looks like to me where we are right now, it's actually right across from where we came from, right where the railroad was, and those boats and stuff. Those boats that they're using, they probably rent. Oh, look at this serious waves that they cause. Yeah, so that's where the railroad is and all this stuff. I don't know what to tell you guys, but I'm really sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry, fuck. I just walked all the way the fuck over here looking for a nice place that I thought it used to be. I don't know, maybe it's because of the high tide, you know, because of the puddle we had to walk across. These never-ending roads are just ridiculous. I'm once again thinking about giving up. It's being way too rough on me. I cannot find my beautiful place. Very unfortunate. So we're not alone in this island. It's not an island. Well, it's just been a little while since I've seen somebody walking or riding a bike or something. Then all of a sudden somebody just riding a bike came by. I wish I had a bike right now. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't even know what time it is. My phone just died. I had a low battery. Give up on me. So I'm hoping this camera is not going to give up on me, but this camera just sucks. It's not anything special. Oh, man. Oh, look at this. So I'm guessing we're in Wethersfield right now. Hunting, fishing, trespassing strictly prohibited. Wethersfield Game Club. I'm guessing this is Wethersfield. I hope Wethersfield has cooler stuff than already seen, which I haven't seen anything cool. So let's still on the trail. You know what? I'm starting to wish I never left my house this morning, because I don't know, I haven't found my spot. Look at all these freaking profanity here. Like, check it out. Love, pussy, power. Don't know if you can read that, but damn. Then right here it says, I need a man. Then there's an end. You probably got caught or something. I probably found a man that I'm looking for. Sideways light. Very nice. Need a mask. May 13, whatever that is. So much walking there. So much walking. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't know where I am, so I'm gonna close this up. I can't take it no more. I'm walking back already, so don't forget to subscribe to the content. Links are down in the description. Don't forget to keep you stoned.